Hey, what's up guys? Just Doug here, back with another video on the DTF Motorsports YouTube channel. We're doing some kind of Lincoln content, but not necessarily Lincoln specific. We are reprogramming the tire position. Just finished doing an oil change and rotating the tires on the Lincoln Aviator. So we are reprogramming the tire position for the TPMS. It's a really simple thing to do and very inexpensive. Just need this little guy off Amazon. I don't remember if it was like 10 bucks or something. So we'll go ahead and jump in the car and we'll show you how to do this real quick. Save yourself a trip to the tire shop. All right guys, so we're in the car now. We're gonna wanna go ahead and get this thing into service TPMS mode. So you're gonna wanna start with the ignition on, not running, don't push the brake, just ignition on, and then you wanna push the brake once, and then we're gonna go off, on, off, on, off, on. And with it in the on position, push the brake again, and do that 3 more times. Off, on, off, on, off, on. And the car beeps. So now it's in the TPMS RELEARN position. It's going to tell you to train front left tire. Go back to that other message. All right, train left front tire. So now we're going to get out of the vehicle. Clear this message again for you. I'm going to take this little TPMS RELEARN programmer thing, and you're going to hold it perpendicular to the tire right above your valve stem. Hold it. Alright, so then it beeps, the horn goes off, and then it's going to say train right front tire. So then we're going to work clockwise around the car. So we'll go do the same thing on this side of the car. Holding this perpendicular to the tire. Beeps. Go to the rear on the passenger side. Same thing. Driver rear tire. And when you're done, the dash will say training complete. And that's all there is to it. The other thing is, make sure if you rotate your tires and your vehicle has different air pressure front and rear, that you adjust your tire pressure to match. So like on the Aviator, the front is 38 psi, rear is 42. So when you're rotating, you gotta make sure to actually change your air pressure too. And but yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. Like I said, just want to do a real quick video on relearning your TPMS locations. I don't know what all vehicles this will work for. I know it covers a lot of the newer Fords. For some reason, I could not get this to work on my 2017 Super Duty. I don't know if it's because this doesn't work with my truck or if because the TPMS sensors are bad. I bought a set of Platinum takeoffs. They were in this dude's garage for like 4 years, brand new. Took them off the truck at 20 miles. So the batteries could have been dead, the TPMS sensors. I don't know. I just ended up shutting that system off with my tuning. So that's gone. I just didn't end up worrying about it since I couldn't get this to work. I didn't really need it, so I shut them off. So yeah, like I said, really cheap tool on Amazon, like 10, 15 bucks, and pretty simple procedure to just go through and relearn your tire position. So thanks for tuning in guys. I appreciate all you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.